Hello, welcome RM Touch Network Consultants. In this video, I will show you how to configure Bolosys Firewall FortiGate to access the internet. So, in our first step, we will drag and drop the cloud, and then you will click the Chain3 VM, and then OK, and then I will rename. OK, this one is the internet, and then you will click and the clouds, and then right click and then configure, and then click show special Ethernet interface, and then click we are going to add this interface, and then click add, and you have to show you add this interface, and then click OK, and then take the port 3 is the internet access port for the FortiGate firewall, and then click the interface that we add in the cloud. Okay, in our next step, we will go in our web browser, double click, and then we will log in our FortiGate admin, and then click login. Begin, select comprehensive, okay, don't show again, okay. Then we will go into network. This one is the dashboard of the FortiGate. Then you will click network, and then interfaces. There are in here all the interfaces in the FortiGate firewall. So we are going to give the IP address, the internet port. Okay, the internet access port is port 3. It's the port that connects the FortiGate into cloud or the internet. So to give the IP address in port 3, click the port 3 and then go to edit. Okay, and you will leave as a default port 3 physical interface verify IP, and then you will click the rule. The rule we will assign a WAN. Okay, and then you will come IPNet mask, and then you will give the port 3 IP address, how to reach the internet 192.168.1.122.240/24. Okay, and then Bing and SSH, and then you will click OK. Now I will test. I can Okay, now I will test. I can ping. Now I will test. I can ping my internet access. Okay. Then execute ping 192.168.122.1. Yeah, I can ping internet, and I will try. I can ping for the okay, ping execute ping the internet I. No, I cannot ping for the internet. So I will assign the policies for the FortiGate firewall. So I will go the static route. I will go the static route and I will make a create new. You will click a create new. Okay, in that first one you will leave as a default, and then you will write 192.168 side the default gateway .122.1. Then you will select port 3 and then you will click OK. Now I will test. I can ping execute ping I. Yes, now I can ping the internet from the FortiGate. Okay, let me check if the machine can ping the internet or not. Go to terminal, click in here and go to terminal. Okay, then I will try to ping the internet I. I think the machine cannot ping the internet, so we will configure the policies. So you will go the policy objectives, how to allow the machine can access the internet. You will go the policy objectives and then you will click firewall policy. Okay, then you will create a policy. Then we will write internet and then you will click land, and this one is outgoing port 3 for the internet access port that connected the FortiGate, and the source it will be all then close, and the destination also it is all then close, and also surface is all and then close, and the night is on NAT is on, and also we will make a log allow traffic for all sessions. Then you will click OK. Okay, go. We will check the terminal. We will check if the machine can access the internet or not. Ping 8.8.8.8. Now, and also the machine can ping or can reach the internet access. Let's look previous one. Yeah, so thank you very much and we will see you in the next class.